The first ever spot XRP ETF in the US starts trading on the NASDAQ.
We may be witnessing one of the most pivotal days in XRP's history. The first spot XRP ETF has been launched by Canary Capital under the name XRPC, and the activity in the first hours has far exceeded expectations. But can this launch truly break Solana's record? How will the institutional money flow reflect on XRP? In this video, I'll break down 3 critical points in detail. First, the shocking volume data from day one and how it compares to competitors. Second, the major upcoming XRP ETFs that will open in the coming weeks and their potential impact. Third, a highly important institutional perspective shift that many people are overlooking. Now let's dive into the numbers, because the picture forming is genuinely impressive. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the most important developments in the crypto market. Let's continue. In the first 30 minutes, XRPC reached an impressive $26 million in trading volume. This figure is about half of Solana's first day volume, but remember, this is only the first half hour. According to Eric Balchunas' data, $130 million in volume is expected by the end of the day. If this happens, Solana's $57 million opening record will be easily surpassed. In the first 2 hours, the ETF share unit volume reached 1,132. For comparison, Bitcoin saw $4.5 billion in first day volume, with $655 million in net inflows. Ethereum began with $1 billion in volume and $108 million in net inflows. The performance of the XRP community in these first hours clearly demonstrates how strong the confidence in the asset truly is. The question is, can this momentum be sustained? Now, here's where things get serious. Canary Capital is only the beginning. From November 14 to 18, Franklin Templeton steps in. On November 19th, 20, Bitwise launches. From November 20th to 22, 21 shares and CoinShares enter the market. And at the end of November, this is the real game changer Grayscale and WisdomTree arrive. The amount of assets these last two manage is massive. This opens a direct gateway to trillions of dollars in institutional funds. Every new ETF launch will multiply liquidity and create new layers of price discovery. Market analysts expect billions of dollars in institutional inflows in the months ahead. Companies like Evernorth are even preparing IPO plans for XRP-focused treasury strategies. This is proof that the asset is seen not only as speculative, but also as a strategic reserve instrument. Dan Tapiero, founder of 10T Holdings, shared noteworthy comments about XRP. "I respect XRP's survivability," he says, adding, "Ripple has transformed itself into a holding company within the digital asset ecosystem." Brad Garlinghouse's relationships with the Trump administration and the 4-year legal battle with the SEC played a pioneering role for the entire crypto industry. The support shown by the XRP community throughout this difficult process built a level of trust that money can't buy. But analysts like Versen warn, ETFs are an institutional participation vehicle. They do not replace real ownership. Large funds will control the asset, while individuals will only be exposed to price movements. And it's no coincidence that the Federal Reserve is allowing banks to hold crypto. A coordinated institutional integration process is underway. The real question, doesn't this centralized structuring contradict the spirit of DeFi? Here are the striking figures from the first day of XRP ETFs. Where do you think this institutional flow will push XRP's price? Do you have any concerns about ETFs? Share your thoughts in the comments. The community's perspective is always valuable. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.